So again, hey everyone, thanks for joining our webinar. Today we're going to look at how we can bring cloud with Microsoft Project Desktop. My name is Lucy. I run marketing department in PPM Express, and here I'm the seasoned project manager. So we'll know that the tech stack is always changing, and the old ways of managing projects don't always cut it anymore. That's why more and more businesses are switching to cloud-based solutions. And in this webinar, we will dive into the key concepts of cloud visibility, its key elements, necessities, and we'll show you how to get the right data to make the decisions and how to blend Microsoft Project Desktop with the cloud. So, Olena, the stage is yours now.
Thank you. So we'll show you how using cloud tech with your existing project management stack can transform the work that you do in a meaningful way. We want to show you how to add the cloud to Microsoft Project Desktop and to make your project portfolio even more visible and easier to work on together. So in this webinar, we will dive into the cloud visibility, what are the elements, what are the necessities. We will show you how to get the right data to make decisions, to manage resources better, and to make your projects even more successful by blending Microsoft Project Desktop with the cloud. So we will show you how to prepare for the future, giving you the knowledge and tools to stay ahead in the digital world. Thank you for your time, and let's kick off our exploration in bringing cloud visibility to Microsoft Project Desktop. So understanding who sees what in a project is really important for making sure that it runs smoothly. And usually we think about it at 3 levels: the team, the managers, and the executives. Okay. So at the team level, it's all about knowing what you are doing and when. Everyone on the team needs to know what tasks they have, when they need to finish them, and how their tasks are connected to others. This helps everyone to work together better, to meet deadlines, and to tackle any problems as they pop up. The next one is management level. And here, project managers and important stakeholders need to see a bit more. They need to know how the project is going, how money is being used, and how resources like people and materials are being managed. And this helps them to keep an eye on the project, to make smart choices, and to tweak things if needed, to keep everything on time and on budget. And lastly, we have the executives level. The big bosses, they need a broad view of the project. They need to understand how the project is doing as a whole and if it's helping the business to achieve its goals. They look at important measurements, performance indicators, and any big risks or problems that could get in the way of the project. This helps them to check the project's health, to see how it's going against the company's strategic goals, and to make big decisions that shape the project and the business. In short, project visibility, it is like a layered cake, with each layer given a different view that is needed for different roles in the company. So this way, everyone from the team member to the big bosses, they get the info they need to do their jobs well and to help the project succeed. So in project management, visibility is the ability to see and understand all the aspects of the project clearly, ensuring that this information is available to all relevant stakeholders. It is crucial for success of the project. So here are 4 core elements of project visibility. First of all stakeholders must clearly understand the project goals to work together towards achieving them. Regular updates on the project progress help keeping everyone informed and on track. Of course, everyone must know who is responsible for which tasks, and creating a proper work breakdown helps to ensure the project stays organized and the tasks are completed on time. And it is also crucial to identify and communicate any risks that may arise during the project. This allows project managers to take appropriate risk mitigation measures and keep the project on track. By ensuring that all these four elements are addressed, PMs can improve the visibility of their projects and increase their chances of success. Without project visibility, it can be challenging to identify and manage risks, and this can lead to project delays, cost overruns, and other negative outcomes. For example, poor project visibility can result in project scope expanding beyond the original plan or agreement, and therefore leading to additional costs and delays. Inadequate visibility into resource allocation and availability, it can make it challenging to identify resource constraints and adjust the project when it is needed. Limited real-time visibility into project costs can make identifying and addressing budget overruns difficult before they become a significant issue. And lastly, ineffective communication and irregular updates can cause stakeholders to disengage from the project and therefore reduce support, cause delays, and other issues. So, to mitigate the risks we just mentioned, project managers may need to rely on other methods of identifying and managing these risks. For example, regular project status updates can mitigate risks that are associated with stakeholders' disengagement and scope creep. Using project and portfolio management software like Microsoft Project Desktop and PPM Express together can keep everyone up to date and on track and show real-time progress. Project dashboards visually display project status and highlight the issues if there are any. Tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack promote communication and teamwork. It is important to ensure that everyone is aligned on project goals and objectives through clear communication channels, and staying on top of changes in progress by regularly monitoring and updating project plans. Project managers may need to manually track project progress, costs, and other metrics if they don't use automated project visibility tools. Project managers may also rely on traditional communication channels, such as emails or phone calls, to stay in touch with the team members and stakeholders. So, while these methods can help mitigate some of the risks associated with limited project visibility, they may not be as effective as automated project visibility tools when it comes to identifying and managing risks quickly and efficiently. So, project visibility in Microsoft Project refers to the ability to access real-time information about project status, about progress, and potential risks. We will discuss the key features and tools within Microsoft Project itself that can be used to track and report on project metrics, such as Gantt charts, task lists, and resource management tools. One of the ways how you can access real-time information about your project is by customizing project views to meet the specific needs of your project and stakeholders. So there are several steps that need to be done to adjust the project view. First of all, you would need to identify the key metrics that you want to track, such as project progress, costs, custom fields, resource allocation, and like any other. Select a relevant view, for example, Gantt chart view for tracking project timelines, and then customize this view by adding or removing columns to display the specific metrics you selected. To do this, you would just need to right-click on the column header to access this option, and then modify, if necessary, how information is displayed within each of the columns. For example, like changing the date or currency format. And of course, don't forget to save the customized view for future use by selecting the View tab and the Save View option. So By adjusting project views in Project Desktop and saving them for future use, project managers can obtain the visibility they need to make informed decisions about their projects and identify and mitigate the risks. In Microsoft Project, there are several places where project statuses can be viewed to obtain project visibility. And Gonchar is a view in Microsoft Project that provides an overview of the project timeline, task dependencies, and task completion status. Task Usage View provides a detailed list of project tasks and their associated status, including start and end dates, duration, and percent complete. Resource Usage View shows the amount of work assigned to each resource and provides information about resource allocation and availability. And of course, Microsoft Project also provides a variety of built-in reports and customizable dashboards that can be used to obtain project visibility. So when we are talking about exporting Microsoft Schedule into a file for usage in alternative project management tools, one of the most common ways to export the schedule data is to an Excel file or to a CSV file. And this can be useful if you, for example, need to share your project schedule data with team members who don't have Microsoft Project, or if you would like to manipulate the data in Excel for future analysis, or if you would like to import it to some other project management tools. So to export your schedule into an Excel or CSV file, you would need to simply follow several steps. First, choose File menu, then Export, save file project as a file, and double-click either Microsoft Excel workbook or CSV. Choose a location for the workbook and give it a name. Then you will be presented with an export wizard where you should just go through the steps and you will be prompted to perform the task mapping, resource mapping, and assignment mapping steps. At the end, verify the export map layout and choose Finish. Resulting Excel or CSV file can now be shared with the team members as necessary or imported into another project management tool.
Thank you, Olena. And now, before we dive into the Ultimate Visibility Guide, let's talk about the third-party tools that can enhance your MEMS Project Desktop experience. By the way, feel free to put any questions you might have into the Q&A box. We'll address all of them by the end of our session. So, as a powerful project portfolio management tool, PPM Express offers a range of features that can help you manage your projects more effectively and also more efficiently. In addition to its core capabilities, it also offers advanced features that can enhance project visibility, streamline communication, and improve collaboration across different projects, programs, and teams. So let's take a closer look at some of these advanced features and explore how they can be used to achieve project success. The first one that we'll start with is effortless integration. And basically connecting with leading project management systems through PPM Express is easy and almost seamless. It includes Microsoft Project, Microsoft Planner, Jira, Azure DevOps, Monday.com, SmartChain, and other tools. And it provides greater project visibility and collaboration across these key elements: improved communication, integrated project management, and customizable dashboards that become your single source of truth. So by connecting with other project management systems, PMs can obtain the visibility that you need to make informed decisions, identify possible project risks, and deliver successful results. The next part would be about the teamwork and collaboration enhanced. So basically, the platform enables teams to collaborate with Microsoft Project Desktop online and in real time, which the tool itself doesn't have built in as a feature. The teams can share project information, they can collaborate on tasks, they can make informed decisions about project management, and basically lead the project to success. Here are some ways that PPM Express help facilitate collaboration with Project Desktop. It's online collaboration, MS Teams integration, and secure data sharing. The key here is integrating with Microsoft Teams so that project managers can collaborate more effectively and access real-time project data, automate reporting processes, and manage the projects more efficiently in general. The next key set of features is about navigating risk and resources. So PPM Express provides project managers with real-time visibility into projects' risks, resource allocation, and demand, allowing you to make informed decisions and proactively manage the challenges that the project may occur with. Those features include risk management, resource management, demand management, and reporting. And now let's hear about how you can leverage the power of data visualization. Alena, the stage is yours again.
Thank you. So obviously, with the current capabilities and somewhat limitations of Microsoft Project Desktop, we need to think beyond just one tool in order to bring our projects to the next level. So let's now explore how PPM Express can enhance project visibility, improve collaboration, and streamline project management, ultimately helping your team to deliver successful projects on time and within budget. So PPM Express comes with a range of ready-to-use reports that can be accessed easily within the Power BI service. These reports provide project managers with up-to-date project information at any time. Project Portfolio Summary Report provides an overview of the project portfolio, including project status, budget, and resource allocation. Resource Utilization Report shows how resources are utilized across different projects. Project Risks and Issues Management Report provides an overview of all the risks and issues associated with the projects in the portfolio. PPM Express provides several financial reports, including budget versus actuals and project cost analysis. Milestone Tracking Report provides an overview of project progress, including milestone and task completion rates. Resource Allocation Analysis provides a detailed analysis of resource allocation across all the projects in your portfolio. And Project Timeline and Schedule Analysis provides a detailed view of project timelines and schedules, helping to identify potential delays and making necessary adjustments. So by utilizing these reports and also many other reports that are available within PPM Express, managers can obtain the project visibility that they need to make decisions that would help them to deliver successful projects. So with PPM Express and Power BI, you can automate the creation and delivery of ready-to-use and customizable reports, ensuring that your team has access to the information, what they need and when they need it. So PPM Express connects with Power BI and enables you to create interactive and insightful reports and dashboards with your project's data. Besides that, PPM Express offers multiple ready-to-use Power BI report packs. They are combined into different topics like financial reports or executive reports, resource management. They cover all aspects of PPM data, enabling users to uncover insights and make data-driven decisions. These reports can additionally be customized to meet specific business needs and requirements in the best possible way. PPM Express automatically updates project progress and status based on task completion, providing a more efficient and accurate way to share project updates. With the help of Power BI, PPM Express allows you to automate the distribution of reports to specific team members or groups, simply by publishing your report to Power BI service website. With the help of scheduled report refresh in Power BI, you will ensure that your team always has the access to the latest project information. So while Microsoft Project Desktop is a fantastic tool for managing individual projects, it often presents a challenge when trying to get a comprehensive view of all your projects. It lacks the ability to provide a holistic bird's eye view of your entire project portfolio. And this is where PPM Express steps in with our roadmaps feature. With our comprehensive roadmap dashboard, you can view all your ongoing projects at one glance. It gives you a top-down view at all your organization initiatives, helping you to understand how each project fits into the overall picture. Now you might be wondering how to start with the roadmap feature of PPM Express. And we've made the process incredibly simple and straightforward for you. So it can be completed in just 3 easy steps. First is to book a discovery call on our website. Once you get your PPM Express account set up, the next step is to connect it with your Microsoft Project desktop. And now you are ready to start using roadmaps. You'll be able to add and view details of all your Microsoft Project desktop projects, including progress, statuses, deadlines, milestones, and even more, all in one single and comprehensive dashboard. So it's as simple as that. With just 3 steps, you will be on your way to gaining better visibility and control over all your project portfolio. And now let's have a look at the example. This is the sample roadmap in PPM Express. And you can see that there is a section with KPIs related to your roadmap. And there is a dashboard with the bars. These bars may represent a project as a whole. They may represent some individual critical tasks or key dates or deadlines. And there can be several projects presented, grouped by certain categories. And these bars, they can be created manually or they can be imported from projects. And you will see all the dates, you will see the progress here, you will see how these projects and deadlines and milestones related to each other. So with the roadmaps feature, PPM Express brings your project management to the next level by providing a comprehensive top-down view of your entire portfolio. And it is about having the full visibility and, of course, being in control.
Okay, thank you, Lana. And now it's Q&A time. I see a couple of questions that were already written. So the first one is, which data is synced from MS Desktop Scheduler to your platform?
So when project desktop schedule is connected to a project in PPM Express, of course, tasks are synchronized into the project in PPM Express, and it's like task names, start and due dates, progress, work, like completed work, things like that, and assigned resources. So resources from the Microsoft project plan in desktop, they are mapped to the resources in PPM Express, so they kind of get connected. And all this data is synchronized into the project in PPM Express.
Thank you. How complicated it is to integrate project desktop with PPM Express?
Well, it's not complicated at all. We've developed an add-on that will be installed in your project desktop. There is a downloadable file available in our help site. Basically, it's like a wizard where you click next, 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 and this add-on will be installed in your project desktop. From this add-on, you will connect to the PPM Express tenant that you have, that you registered, and then you will be able to either connect your schedule to one of the existing projects in PPM Express, or to create a completely new project and connect your schedule to it. So at some point, you will be presented with the resource mapping step, where you will map the resources from your schedule to the resources available in PPM Express, or to create new ones in PPM Express. And then it's again next, 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 and the schedule will be synchronized automatically to PPM Express. And again, you will be able to continue working with the project in project desktop, so in comfort of your of the tool that you are used to. And once you are ready to publish your changes to the team, you will just like repeat this procedure when you find the project to which your schedule is connected, and just update it with the new information from your schedule.
Okay, great. And the last question so far, is the data connected both ways?
So for now, it is Y-way integration from Microsoft Desktop to PPM Express. We have future plans, like in our backlogs, for the other way synchronization from PPM Express to Project Desktop, but it is not out yet. It is in the backlog.
Okay, thanks. If there are any more Q&A questions, we will just address them also in writing way by email. So now we've reached the end of our webinar on bringing cloud visibility to MS Project Desktop. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for your time, and big thanks to our expert, Olena, who showed us the ropes. She shared some great tips and tools, and here you can use them to keep an eye on everything and stay on top of your project portfolio and get the best of MS Project Desktop and the cloud visibility that can be integrated in it. Before we sign off, let me just remind you that the video recording and the slide deck will be available to you within 24 hours from now. You will receive it in your email. And thanks for joining us today. I hope that you'll take things that you learn here and use it to make your work more efficient and effective, and just overall break through the visibility barriers that MS Project sometimes does have. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.